To clean and disinfect your dishwasher, just add 1 cup of white vinegar to a dishwasher safe cup and put it on the top rack and then run it on the hot water cycle. If your dishwasher still needs more cleaning after the vinegar to get rid of some odors, just sprinkle the baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher and run it for a short cycle. So next you want to clean around the edge of the door. So you can take a damp rag and dip it in vinegar and then just wipe all around the seal of the door. About once a month you want to take your filter and clean it out. There's actually 2 filters that you want to remove, and then you can wash them in warm water in the sink and replace them. Alright, 2 more tips that I learned a few years ago from our appliance repairman. You want to always run the garbage disposal first before running the dishwasher. And then always run the hot water so that when your hot water cycle starts, it gets up to the max internal temperature.